Alright, so you want to know how to save and open MIDI in FL Studio? Check it out. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you how to save and open MIDI in FL Studio. Check it out. Okay, very simple. So why MIDI? MIDI is industry standard format that can be opened in any DAW, whether Cubase, Ableton, Pro Tools, FL Studio, whatever DAW that you are using. You can open MIDI files in them. Alright, so to save this melody or notes as MIDI files or MIDI file, what you have to do is go back to the piano options here, file, then you go to export. It will be export as MIDI or save as MIDI file, whatever that you see. Go there, export as MIDI file, then you browse through the folder that you want to save your MIDI. Okay, I created this folder, MIDI folder. You browse through the folder that you want to save your MIDI file to. So I have this MIDI folder. Then over here you give it a title. Okay, so let's call this melody 3. Then you hit the save button. Very simple, and this will be saved as what? MIDI file. Alright, to open this MIDI file, let's create another project. Okay, empty. Let's load FL keys. Alright, okay, so you go back to the piano roll, then you go back again to the piano roll options here, file, and right now what you have to do is click on import MIDI file or open MIDI files in FL Studio. Very simple. Import MIDI file, then you select the MIDI file, okay, which is this one, melody 3. Simple. Alright, so guys, this is how to save and open MIDI in FL Studio. Very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, share the video. Links to my previous videos too also down there. Go and watch them, some of it may help you. The name is Godside. On the beat, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.